In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image using the shape icon. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so your image appears right where you want it, with zero guesswork. We'll start at the top or side toolbar where visual tools usually live. Look for the shape icon. It commonly looks like a square, a circle, or a mix of basic shapes stacked together. Some apps label it as shapes, elements, or insert shape. If your workspace is compact, you might need to expand the toolbar or click a small arrow to reveal more icons. The shape icon is your gateway to all visual objects, and in many editors, the image option is grouped there to keep all visual elements together. Once you've opened the shape menu, click on the image option. This may be labeled image, picture, or photo, and it often shows a small mountain and sun symbol. Selecting this tells your editor that you're bringing in a bitmap or photo instead of a geometric shape. If there are multiple sources listed, the local image option is typically the one that opens your computer's file picker. That's exactly what we want here. When the file chooser appears, choose the image you want to include. You can browse your folders, preview thumbnails, and confirm you've selected the correct file. Common formats like JPG, PNG, and sometimes SVG or GIF are generally supported. If you're preparing graphics for a presentation or design, consider clarity and size. Higher resolution images look crisper at larger scales, and PNG files preserve transparency if you need a clean cutout. It's also helpful to use images with appropriate licensing for your project, especially if you plan to share or publish the result. After you've highlighted the right file, click on Open. That single action hands the image to your editor, which will place it on your canvas or inside the active placeholder area. Depending on the app, you might see a loading moment for large files. If nothing appears, double check that the file format is supported and that the file isn't locked or stored in a location that requires permissions. Most editors will anchor the image within the visible workspace, so you can immediately see the result. That's the entire workflow. Click the shape icon, choose the image option, select your file, and click Open.